Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter E. Capital E, little e. What words begin with E? Egg, E-G-G. The word egg begins with the letter E. Grandma likes to cook them for breakfast. The egg sat in the nest. Elk, E-L-K. The word elk also begins with the letter E. The males have very big antlers on their head. The elk sniffed at the eggs. Estate, E-S-T-A-T-E. A large parcel of land that usually contains a grand house. The elk stood in the large estate. What sound does the letter E represent? Eh. Can you say eh? Very good. E, the fifth letter of the English alphabet. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.